S is for snoring. Snoring is the harsh sound that our throat muscles make when air flows through them while we sleep. Now, snoring is very common, and you and I both know what snoring sounds like. The common symptoms of snoring are a usual cold, allergies, or even fatigue from the day. Sometimes snoring can be related to something bigger and more serious. Snoring is accompanied by chest pains, morning headaches, choking while you sleep, chest pains while you sleep, and even disrupted attention span in the day. It can be a sign of OSA, that is obstructive sleep apnea. When you experience a severe difficulty in breathing while sleeping, you are experiencing something that might be sleep apnea. Now, we request you not to self-diagnose or ask Dr. Google, but instead visit a medical professional because this is a curable problem, but it has to be diagnosed at the correct time. So stay safe and sleep healthy. And we'll be back with tea.